plastics under there and get that organized and labeled. I think you did. I think you're good with the clear stuff, but like there's that closet that's gonna be interesting. And then the desk.
Should we get any matching clear, like those clear stairlight, the smaller ones? Back in that closet?
I don't know. Let's see here. What does she have on here? Can you guys see?
Printer?
Oh, that's a printer. These are my two favorite Disney princesses. So yes. I don't think it's cold. We don't have to forget about. Oh, yay, corner.
I'm learning. Instructions are great.
So I think if we use the multi-purpose for the gift bags, I think what we can do is like just kind of wrap everything in here for today and then add that to our list to bring tomorrow. Because the nearest container store they'll just take
So we won't do gift wrap today?
I think maybe we'll like put a pin in the gift wrap until tomorrow and then we'll handle the daughter's room with the gift wrap. But I think we'll be able to get through everything else.
We can use shoe boxes for everything except for gift wrap.
Love it. Let's do it. Okay, so that's for the desktop.
This is really good.
Okay. Oh, thank God Carrie brought snacks.
Oh my gosh, it looks so organized in here. Oh my god, I love it. Oh, I love it. Oh, there's a light. And oh my gosh, this is like I have to hug you. Oh my gosh. Oh my